Build a place that feels just right, bright and sunny, full of light. No flood zone, no fixer blues, just good vibes waiting for you. Center hall charm, fresh and clean, in Fairfield's best, you know what I mean. Game nights flow through living space, dinner parties, fireplace, grace. Center hall charm, fresh and clean, in Fairfield's best, you know what I mean. Game nights flow through living space, dinner parties, fireplace, grace. 17 Mayhew, come take a ride. Chef's drink kitchen open wide. A pool out back, a yard with room, deck for sunset, stars and bloom. This is more than walls and beams, it's where you live out all your dreams. Upstairs brings the good, the best, primary suite for peace and rest. Skylight back, a walk into closets for days, all just for you. Guest rooms, office space to spare. Lower level, go create down there. Gym or studio, movie nights, whatever fits your future life. 17 Mayhew, Fairfield skies, where comfort meets those open eyes. Center back, a walk into closets for days, all just for you. Guest rooms, office space to spare. Lower level, go create down there. Gym or studio, movie nights, whatever fits your future life. 17 Mayhew, Fairfield skies, where comfort meets those open highs. Generate a strong peace of mind, the next chapter's yours to find. Close to park shops and city lights, come feel the magic, it's done just right.